The fuel filter plays a crucial role in your vehicle. Its job, to keep debris and contaminants out of your fuel injectors. You can typically find it either inside the gas tank or along the fuel line between the fuel pump and the injectors. As a general rule, it's good to replace your fuel filter every 50,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Some newer cars, though, claim their fuel filter can last the lifetime of the vehicle. Let's break down the top symptoms of a bad fuel filter so you'll know when it's time for a replacement. Here are 5 symptoms of bad fuel filter. First symptom is the check engine light is on. A bad fuel filter can trigger your check engine light. However, since the fuel filter isn't electrical, it won't have a specific error code. Instead, you might see codes like P0171, which indicates there's too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion process, known as a lean condition. This lean condition often leads to misfires, which could generate additional codes. Head to your local auto parts store for a free diagnostic scan, or use a reliable scanner at home. I'll link the scanner I recommend in the description below. Second symptom is crank, but no start. If you hear the starter turning, but the engine won't start, it could mean your fuel filter is completely clogged. Without enough fuel getting through, the engine can't combust and won't run. Third symptom is rough idle. When your car is stationary with the engine running, you might feel it vibrating or running unevenly. Why? A clogged fuel filter disrupts the perfect air-to-fuel ratio that your engine needs to perform smoothly. Without enough fuel reaching the injectors at the right time, the engine struggles to maintain a steady idle. Fourth symptom is engine hesitation. Ever press the gas pedal to accelerate and feel a stutter before your car moves? That hesitation happens because a clogged fuel filter restricts the fuel flow, making it hard for the engine to keep up with the increased demand for fuel when more air enters the engine. Here's what happens. Pressing the gas pedal opens the throttle plate, letting in more air. The engine control module ECM then commands more fuel. A clogged filter delays that fuel delivery, causing hesitation. Last symptom is engine stalling. This happens when the fuel filter is too clogged to supply enough fuel to maintain the air-to-fuel ratio. The result? The engine runs too lean and shuts off. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel.